Hello guys, my name is Diana and I'm from Group 9. So today we're gonna present to you guys about markup and markdown. We will learn what is markup and what is markdown. And I'll give you a question that related to markup and markdown. So please look forward to it.
Hi everyone, my name is Aisyah Bakis binti Suinoa and I'm from Group 9. So today I'll be explaining about the topic markup. So what is markup? Markup is an additional amount added to the cost of goods to cover the business expenses and to generate profit. So for example, I bought a lipstick for 20 ringgit from a supplier. After taking consideration of my operating expenses and to also generate profit for myself, I decided to sell it at 30 ringgit, which leaves me with 10 ringgit markup price. The markup price will cover for my operating expenses and also generate profit for me. So basically, the sum of cost price and the markup equals to the retail price or selling price. Markup is also known as gross profit or gross margin. And markup basically just consists of net profit and operating expenses. So based on my explanation, we can apply this to the formula given. So to find markup, you need to have the net profit and operating expenses. So once you have that, you can calculate the selling price by adding the cost price plus the markup. And SP equals C plus M, or SP equals to C plus OE plus NP. Okay, next slide. In this slide, we have the formula for markup percent. So for based on retail price, we have to divide X with SP and then multiply it with 100%. And if it's based on cost price, then we have to divide X with cost price and multiply by 100%. They're both basically the same formula, so you just need to apply the selling price or cost price.
Hi, my name is Amal and I'm going to explain about what is markdown. Markdown is an amount of price reduction or discount. In another word, it is a decrease in the retail price or selling price. So these are the formulas that we're going to use to find markdown percentage based on all retail price and also to find the new selling price. So next, these are the formulas that we're going to use. To find the break-even price, we use cost plus with operating expenses. Next, we have the formula for profit and loss. Profit is equal to selling price minus with selling price break-even. And then to find loss, loss is equal to selling price break-even minus with selling price. Then to find the maximum markdown is equal to net profit. To find the maximum markdown, we need to minus selling price with selling price break even. And then we also have the formula to find the maximum markdown percentage. To find the maximum markdown percentage, we use net profit over with selling price times with 100%. Or we could also use selling price minus with selling price break even over with selling price and times with 100%.
Are you guys ready? So let's begin with the question. The question asks, SM Entertainment Company wants to produce a limited edition special NCT photo card for the Lunar New Year celebration. The company decided to produce only 1,500 pieces of the limited edition photo card at a cost of 82,500 ringgit. The net profit for each photo card is 8% based on cost, and total operating expenses for the photo card is 450 ringgit. So for question 1, what is the selling price for each NCT photo card? Question 2, calculate the total gross profit for photo card. Question 3, find the break-even price for the photo cards. And last, what is the maximum percentage of markdown that can be offered without incurring any loss?
So now we will proceed with the problem solving. So let's check it out in the next slide. So this is the solution for question 1. What is the selling price for each NCT photo card? So the formula to find the selling price for the NCT photo card is C plus OE plus NP. So the cost of the photo cards are 82,500. And to calculate the net profit, we have to take 0.08, multiply it with 82,500, which equals to 6,600. And the OE for this question is 450 ringgit. So we need to take all those numbers and apply it into the SP formula. So 82,500 plus 450 plus 6,600, which equals to 89,550. And we need to divide it with the amount of photo cards produced, which is 1,500. And we will get the SP, which is 59 ringgit and 70 cents per photo cards. Let's move on to question 2.
Okay, moving on to question number 2. The total gross profit for the photo cards. To find the total gross profit, we need to use the formula of M equals to OE plus with NP. So M is equal to 450 plus with 6,600, and we will get 7,000 ringgit. For question number 3, we need to find the break-even price for the photo card. To find the break-even price, we need to use the formula SPB equals to C plus OE. So SPB is equal to 82,500 plus with 450, and we will get 82,950 ringgit.
So let's move on to our last question. The last question asks us, what is the maximum percentage of markdown that can be offered without incurring any loss? So the question asks us to find the maximum percentage markdown. So we already give you guys the formula, and the formula is SP minus SPB divided by SP and multiply it by 100%. SP is selling price and SPB is selling price break even. So in question 1 and 3, we already calculate the SP and the SPB. So we just insert the amount into the formula to find the answer for this question. So we already find the SP, and the SP is 89550 and the SPB is 82950. So we're gonna insert the amount into the formula to find the maximum percentage of markdown. So what we're gonna do is 89550 is minus by 82950, and we're gonna divide it by 89550. Then after that, we're gonna multiply it with 100%. So after we calculate all of that, we're gonna have the answer is 7.37%. So the 7.37% is our maximum percentage of markdown. So that's the final answer. Easy, right?
Okay, so in summary, markup and markdown are pricing strategies in retail. Markup increase prices to cover costs and generate profit, while markdown reduce prices to clear inventory or attract customers. Success depends on factors like demand and competition. Retailers must choose wisely based on their objective and market conditions.
So that's all for our presentation for markup and markdown. So hope you guys had fun with this presentation, and thank you.